I met Cedric when we were in second year college. He was my classmate.
Naging magkaklase kami sa isang subject noon back then. That was mechanics.
And he noticed me kasi maingay daw ako. And then he asked my name sa classmates ko. He also asked my number.
Nagtaka ako kung bakit may maingay na babae dito. Little did I know na yung babaeng maingay pala na yun is isa pala sa mamahalin ko sa buhay. Hanggang na ngayon ay papakasalan ko na.
My siblings always told me that it will be impossible to find a man who could handle me. I am impatient, mainitin ang ulo, selfish. I'm not the best cook. Di ako marunong maglaba. While I can solve basic problems, I struggle with life challenges. So when I met you, I was excited for my family to meet you. And sabihin sa kanila, mali kayo. Because in you, I found a man who showed me that I am worthy of love. A love that embraces all of me, my flaws and all. A love that is patient and unwavering. And a love that stays even the times na hindi ako kapili-pili at hindi ako kamahal-mahal.
Salamat, Jem, sa paggabay, sa pag-intindi, sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa mga desisyon ko, natin at para sa atin.
Sana maging masaya kayo at mapayapa at ligtas bilang mag-asawa.
Congratulations, Cedric. Welcome to your next journey in life.
Napakabait po nila. Magsama sila ng maayos.
Di man perfecto yung pamilya natin, pero salamat at nandito kayo sa moments ng buhay ko na to, na ikakasal na ako. Salamat sa gabay nyo. Salamat sa pagpapalaki nyo. Ito na ako ngayon. So, naging magkaibigan muna kami noon until eventually napag-isip-isipan ko na bakit kaya hindi ko ligawan tong babae na to.
Nung nililigawan niya ako, na-discover ko na very patient siya sa akin. Hindi mainitin ang ulo, mapagpasensya, tapos generous pa.
Simpleng hatid sundo ako sa kanya nun. Matagal ko rin siya bago napasagot, pero di naman umabot ng 1 taon. Mga 4 months, 5 months, naligawan stage.
Mahilig kasi ako before sa chubby. And nung college kami, mataba talaga siya. Nagpapayat lang siya because pumasok siya sa Coast Guard. And ngayon, mas lalo siyang gumawa. So nagbago na yung taste ko. 11 years ago, akala ko hindi magtatagal yung relasyon natin. Kasi we started very young, second year. Pero nung nakilala kita, nakita ko na yung future ko. So itong araw na to, matagal ko na tong na-imagine. Kaya, I love you, love. Love you, mahal. I love you, my Sedi.
Jem, love, sa special na araw na to, June 8, mansari natin to. Going 11 years, gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal kita, iingatan kita, at hanggang kamatayan tayo magsasama.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
There goes my mind erasing, and you are the reason that I'm still.
Jem, kahit may asawa ka na, lagi mo iisipin, love na love kita. Magpalakas ka, good health, and more career.
Maraming nagtatanong sa akin bakit masaya at excited ako at pangarap. Isa sa mga pangarap pang ikasal, ang lagi ko sinasagot is yung pamilya ko. Kasi sila yung nagpakita sa akin na lagi may susuporta sa'yo sa kahit anong desisyon mo sa buhay. And kagaya ng mga kapatid ko at mga asawa nila, hindi ko pababayaan yung mama at papa ko. Kahit malayo ako, dadalaw ako sa kanila. At kapag kailangan nila ako, isang tawag lang, pupuntahan ko sila.
There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now.
Love, mahal, thank you for embracing all the flaws within me and accepting all my imperfections. Today, as we exchange our vows, since natupad na natin yung pangarap natin para sa isa't isa, Doc Jem, ito pa rin naman natin yung pangarap natin dalawa. And that will start here.
Climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
No, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you.
The reason.
Just a little closer now. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight.
Sabi nila, mapigilan ang baha, mapigilan ang ulan, wag lang ang pagmamahalan.
My affection for you has no limits, and it deepens with every sunrise, with every heartbeat. I vow to treasure you, respect you, and remain steadfast by your side for all the time to come. I love you, Jem, Miss Jem, Doc Jem.
I promise to love you is already a scratch promise. But what I can promise is to be with you whenever the circumstances are. And I promise that I will also be your co-PCG member, a Philippine Coast Guard member. Because I promise to P, protect you, C, cherish you, and G, give you everything. I love you, mahal. My love, my Sedi. And I'm excited about our life together. Love you.
It's here today and gone tomorrow. It's what we got, don't let it slip away. This is the time, it's the moment you can be. This is your now. This is your now. This is your now. This is your moment. This is your now. This is your now. Oh, this is your now. This is your now. This is the moment you can be. This is your now.
Said, I give you the license to kiss the bride.
This is you now.